In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in PowerPoint. Whether you want to add a personal touch to your slides or explore PowerPoint's creative potential, drawing directly on your presentation can be both fun and effective. Let's jump right into it. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download the latest version. Once it's open, either start a new presentation or open an existing one you'd like to enhance. Next, navigate to the Draw tab on the ribbon near the top of your screen. If you don't see it, ensure you're using a version that supports drawing tools such as PowerPoint 2016, Office 365, or newer. Inside the Draw tab, you'll find a variety of tools: pens, pencils, and highlighters, each offering a unique feel. Select the tool that fits your style, then adjust the thickness to match your desired level of detail. Thinner lines are great for precision, while thicker strokes work well for bold designs. Now, you're ready to start drawing. Simply click on your slide and begin creating. Don't worry about perfection. PowerPoint's drawing tools are flexible, allowing you to easily adjust and experiment as you go. Whether you're illustrating ideas, highlighting key points, or adding creative flair, these tools give you the freedom to personalize your presentation. And that's it. You've just learned how to draw directly in PowerPoint. Keep practicing, experiment with different tools and colors, and soon you'll be adding your own artistic touch to every slide.